Hi, David and Gail, here at 1 Elliott Place in Port Royal. Looking at the house here, obviously. You are a corner lot, and most of the space on this lot is on this corner. So here is Port Royal Drive, but there's your bike path. But this lot is so large over here, the house is really set back on the side, so you're not real close to the road, even though you're on the corner. You got a ton of room here to do a pool and privatize that if you wanted to. The back is a little bit more shallow. There's really no other house on that side. This is a cul-de-sac street, kind of like 8 places of 8. There's about 6, 7 homes. But here's what this is it. I mean, that's the beach right there. So you're a less than 2-minute walk. And if I'm reading this right, this beach walk is exactly what it says it is. I mean, you're right across the street. So I'm gonna do it with you. So there's a sign, and this just looks like an easement or a path that doesn't get used that much. I had to triple take it because I just wasn't sure if this is an actual beach path for residents, but it has to be. You've got homes on each side of you here, but there's an access here. But you can see, I mean, you're less than 2 minutes. This house is being sold for the value of its land and its location. Right on the bike path, walking path, and right across the street from the beach path. Those things are always gonna hold value. Now I'll show you the house in the next video. It's interesting, to say the least. And it does not have high ceilings, David, which could be a deal breaker. I just don't know. You know, it's going to take a lot of money to do it, but there may be, there's an attic that I'll show you. There may be a way to lift that ceiling. It's all on one level. But here you are. This is definitely a beach path, a walking path for residents, because it comes right to it. And this is a quiet street. Glorious. This is a true beach home. It's not a home that's close to the beach. So I'm kind of blown away with how easy the access is. I wasn't expecting that, even though it's a second row. There are a lot of second rows that don't have this configuration with respect to access. Location and access are perfect 10s thus far. The house is the house, and we'll see if that's going to be workable for you, but you're definitely buying location and an opportunity to do something really special with this house is how I kind of see this. All right, I'm going to shut this off, and I'll take you into the house here next.